I wonder if anybody has any idea what the hell is going on with this thing here. Won't start. It started with starting fluid, but then won't pump fuel or something, but I can hear the fuel pump going. And I put the test on now, like, okay, the key's off right now. Right, on the fuel pump. Get the key on. Goes up, 1233, whatever. But then you turn the kill switch off. Starts fucking wigging out. What's this noise? Anybody know what the fuck that noise is? It'll turn over. It will not fucking start. I've done everything. I put a new ignition on it, new kill switch, new ignition, all kinds of shit, man. And it was burning up relays before, but now that's all good. The neutral light problem is over. Everything comes on, but it won't fucking start. And then see this thing, what the fuck,